Give me a break with how cute this is, all right? Hello. Hi. Look at how cute everybody is. It's magnetized, it's small, so it like fits in my hand. This one, this is a big daddy. This is one where I usually, like, I have it just in case, you know, but I usually stick to the same colors that I use on almost everybody. But you never know when you might need a color. And then it also comes with a mirror, which is nice because I don't carry a mirror for my clients because I want them to trust me. I'm not carrying a big mirror in my thing. So anyway, what I really love about this is that, you know, not all eyeshadows come single like this. So what I will do is I will take my straightener and I will heat up the side of the thing. I will take my tweezers and I'll dig it out. All right, have fun.